So students, the zoological name of earthworm is Pheretima posthuma. So as we all know that we have to write the zoological name in this order. So this is a genus and this is the species. So first letter of the species will be small and first letter of the genus will be capital. Okay, now the earthworm, it belongs to the phylum Annelida. So the basic character of any animal of Annelida phylum will be the segmented body. So first of all, the earthworm will be segmented. So these are the segments, and this segmentation is metameric. So what is metameric? Metameric segmentation is which can be seen from the outside and it is from the inside also. So that is called as metameric segmentation. So first of all, the earthworm will be segmented. Secondly, apart from the very first segment is protruding out, it is called as prostomium. So it is called as prostomium. So pro means first and stomium is called as mouth. So this is a part which is protruding out of the mouth. So here is the mouth. So this will be the first segment, this is the second segment, this will be the third segment, and so on. So first segment is called as peristomium. So you should note that prostomium is not the first segment of earthworm. The first segment is peristomium. Now if we take up third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th segment. So what we have is that, okay, now we are concentrating on the segment number 5, 6, 7 and 8 first of all. So this line which is in between these two segments, this is called as annulus. So many lines will be annuli. So on the annulus of 5th, 6th, 6th, 7th, 7th, 8th and 8th, 9th, there are present 4 pores on this side and 4 pores are on the other side. So these are total 8 pores. These pores are called as spermathecae. So these are 4 pores which are having bag-like structures inside the segment. So these bag-like structures which are called as spermathecae, they are present inside the earthworm and they function to store sperms. So these are spermathecae and these 4 are spermathecal pores. So we should write it as spermathecal pores. So these will be 8 in number, 4 on left side, 4 on the right side. Now, so now we are taking the segment number 10th afterwards. So for this I am drawing the earthworm again. Suppose these are the segments. Now I am making a dorsoventral view. This is the ventral view of the earthworm. So these are the segments. Now suppose this is segment number 10th, 11th, 12th, 13 and 14, 15 and 16 and so on. So we are taking up the segments from 10th to 14. So this is the ventral view of the earthworm. In earthworm there is a very peculiar feature that the segments number 14th, 15th and 16th, they are brown in color, darker brown in color. So we are demarcating it with like dots. So these three segments, they are darker than the other segments, and this part, segment number 14, 15 and 16, collectively this is called as clitellum. So if you are finding any earthworm from the soil and you find a clitellum on 14, 15 and 16, so it is a dead sure identification feature that it is an earthworm. So on segment number 14th we have got a single pore in the center, and this pore is the female genital pore. So this is on the 14th segment. So this is a very peculiar morphological feature. Now further I have drawn another three segments. So this is segment number 17, 18 and 19. So these are again very important. So on 17th segment we have got two genital papillae, and on 19th also we have got two genital papillae. So these are genital papillae. Actually these are the pores of accessory glands which are present inside them. So accessory glands, they secrete a very sticky kind of a fluid for like attachment to the another earthworm. So these are the openings of accessory glands. Now in the middle segment, which is the 18th segment, we have got two male genital pores. So these are two in number, male genital pores, but we have got only one female genital pore which was in segment number 14th, and we have got two male genital pores on segment number 18th, and on 17th and 19th we have got two pairs of genital papillae which are the openings of accessory glands. So that part from 14th up to 19th segment, this is a very important part, and all the reproductive pores are present in this particular part of the earthworm. So at the very end of the earthworm, so suppose these are the segments, earthworm may have like 250 segments, so these are the last segments of the earthworm. At the very last segment we have got anus. So if we start from like mouth, Then we have spermatical pores, 8 in number, single mouth. These were 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we have female genital pore on 14th. Then we have genital papillae on 17th. Male genital pore on 18th. Then again we have a genital papillae appear on 19th. Then we have anus. So these are the pores which are present on the body of the earthworm, and these are also called as the morphological pores in the earthworm. So you should know about these pores, so whenever you get a question on morphology of earthworm. So that's all about this topic. Thank you.